All right, week three in Agri 109. This is the lecture video, which I'm guessing you already figured that out since you're in the lecture tab. And this is the video. If you're not, and I messed it up, sorry, then that would mean the other video's in the other tab, but I don't think so. I'm pretty good today. Anyhow, it's pretty hot. That is what I've decided about this last week. I like 60s, 70s, mid 80s. I start getting a little toasty when it starts getting near the 90s. I'm like, nah. No, I like fall. I like spring. I even probably like winter a little bit better than summer, minus the time off and the playing and all of that. So I don't know. I'm a weird one, but that's how it is. Okay, let's head over to class. Hope it's going well. It is week three. I'll just come back over here. So went into the learning modules, came into module three. Here we go. This will be replaced with this video. You guys are doing great. Thank you for submitting things. I've had more emails, which is great. That means I know you're looking and you're having questions, and I hope I'm answering those for you. So this week is all about beef. So we have Bos taurus, Bos indicus, Bos taurus, Bos indicus continued. So basically you get to learn a lot about beef cattle this week. And then we have our first signature assignment. So I do want you guys, when you get a chance, it's good to go and look and see what your classmates do. So here's the first one for you guys to review. If we hop into our letter A, yeah, that's a letter. Anyhow, chapter 24 is the main chapter. You, of course, have a discussion board. The other interesting thing that's a little different this week is I have a video I posted and a worksheet to go with it. It's called Modern Marvels Cattle Ranching. What I would do is grab the paperwork that you need to do first, then watch the video. That way, as you're watching the video, it goes chronologically, you can answer as you're watching. That's just how I would do it if I were you. And then after that, we have the quiz. So that is module A. Coming back. Part B of module 3. Okay, again, more beef cattle, chapter 25. So again, more videos. I would say these are a little more controversial. And maybe not. Maybe this is just more of what you see things happening. I would say it's definitely there's been a shift in what we're looking at and kind of two different parties when it comes to beef cattle and how we raise and what we're doing. The feedlot kind of standard, what we've done for years and years versus the natural farming or the smaller, more boutique-y, I think is a term I could use for this. I am torn. I will be honest. I love and prefer the idea of knowing, of course, where my food is coming from. I think that's very, very important. However, I know that if we shut down every large facility, we wouldn't have enough food to feed the world. So it's interesting. I will say that. And then, of course, you have a quiz. So pretty straightforward. You guys are experts at this point. I mean, if you think about it, you've done enough work for over 4 weeks if you were in the regular 16 weeks. So you know this, you know the routine, you know the swing of things. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm thinking it's going to be another great week. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.